Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use GarageBand on the iPad to record live piano in just 3 clicks. It's dead easy. Here's how you do it. So I've just opened up the iPad app on my iPad, and all we do is literally hit create document. Now in here we can cycle through various instruments that we want to use. For us, just recording live piano, our second click is going to be straight onto the audio recorder. We'll slide through if you're not onto that, and we're going to hit voice here. That activates the microphone that you can see picking me up here. And there's a little bit of a delay because I'm going through my computer at the moment, but we're pretty much ready to record. That's all you have to do. So if I hit the record button at the top, that's it. If you want to play it back, just hit the play button in the center top. Now you can hear double clicking and things like that. That's because of the delay between my two devices and the laptop which I'm recording over here. But that's it. That's how to record live in any live instrument. And I've demonstrated that with the piano here obviously, but any live instrument on GarageBand in 3 clicks. Now, if you want to go a little bit further than that and you want to get a little bit more complex, if you have a digital piano, you can always plug that into your iPad. And you could then flick over to the line input here, and you can take a direct input into the iPad. And that could be for a guitar, it could come out of an effects pedal, or it could be straight from your digital piano. That will obviously avoid any of the ambient noise in the room, so that can be a great option if you've, one, got the right cables, two, have a digital piano. But otherwise, for a quick recording, I reckon this is one of the simplest, fastest ways. And as I say, you can do it literally in 3 clicks, and then you can either save it to iCloud and share it, to Dropbox, or leave it on your device, or AirDrop it to perhaps your student in the lesson if they've got another iPhone or iPad. Now, why not just use the voice recorder which comes with most iPads and iPhones? Well, you could do that, but the advantage of doing it in GarageBand is that once it's recorded there, you can easily add drums, guitar, bass, other instruments. It's dead easy, and I've got another video that we'll link to that will actually show you how to do all of that stuff. But for now, I hope that's been helpful, and I hope you check out GarageBand for iPad. It's a fantastic app, and this is literally just touching the surface of what it can do. Have fun. Now, just before you go, make sure you check out some of my other videos. We're going to put a link to one of them up here, and I do also encourage you to check out my InnerCircle membership. We'll put a link over here. It's a great place to hang out with other teachers and get all the creative and supportive help that you need from other teachers around the world, and also all of our fantastic courses. And of course, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. Until next time, see ya.